You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly and break it down. There is a subtle detail that you need to get right. Cataclysm, right? Cataclysm. It's a Z sound at the end, not an S, so it's not cataclysm. Cataclysm. Stress is on the first syllable. American English is similar, but more as cataclysm with a flap T that sounds like a D. So cataclysm or cataclysm for the US pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.